Hello and welcome to the channel. So let's jump right in and start making the cross. The objective for this build is to do it in less than 30 minutes. As usual, I'll include the cut dimensions that I used on the screen as I move along. I'll put a link to another one that I made in December, so you can check that one out as well. And this is the cut list that I used for that one. And I'm using exactly the same cut list. The only thing you can change is the first cut. You can reduce it to 2.5 inches instead of 2.75 inches. So this time around I'm using a stop block to help the cuts go faster. Whatever we can do to keep the build time under 30 minutes, we'll do on this one. Don't forget to adjust the stop block as you change from one cut dimension to the other. At this point, I want to quickly remind you that all you need is a little bit of faith and some action. The last two cuts are single pieces, so you would not need the stop block. You can remove it at that point. So with these cuts that have been made, there are two ways you can lay out the cross. There's this version 1, which is not what we're going with, and there's version 2, which is what we're going with, the wrap cross. As I mentioned, this cross is similar to the first one that I did, with the only difference being the ends of the cross that are not cut to a 45-degree miter. For this assembly, I was going to use a 3/8 dowel to use as the spacer, but then I quickly moved away from that because it was going to add to the time that I will use to put it together, because there's no easy way to take the dowel out once you have glued the pieces together. So maybe a squared or a rectangular 3/8 inch spacer would help, one that you can easily take out once you glue the pieces together. I hope that makes sense. And then to add some more strength to it, I'm using Starbond medium gel just on the back side of it. And then I'm still going to add a backer board, but this will also add some more strength to it. And for the backboard, I'm using a 1/8 inch basswood, and I'm just cutting it on the laser cutter there. It's not perfect, but it does add to the strength of the back. And that's it for this one. You can go ahead and add your own choice of stain or finish or painting if you would like to. I'm going with English chestnut for this one, which is one of my favorite finish stain. Thank you for taking time to watch the video up to this point. Until next time, I hope you'll have a tangible experience of God's love today. Take care and God bless. I'll see you in the next video.